Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set password saving preference on Opay. Now what this means is you want to determine how you log into Opay using your password. You want to log in every time, enter your password every time you open your Opay, every time you tap on your Opay app, or you want to do it maybe every 60 minutes or maybe not at all. So how do you do this? Open your Opay app, tap on the me icon at the bottom here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then you see login settings, tap on it, then the third option over here, password saving preference, you tap on it. These are the three options like I said earlier. So you have password free login. If you turn this on, it means that you can log in Opay without entering your login password, which is a 6-digit code. Now, or you can choose 60 minutes password free login, which means once you've logged in the first time, you can log in Opay without entering the password for the next 60 minutes. But after that next 60 minutes an hour, you have to put in the password again when you want to log in. So if you choose the third option, it means your password will always be needed for you to log in. So if you just enter it and you press back and you go back again, you have to log it in every single time you open up or launch the app. You need to enter your password, your login password, which is 6-digit password. It's as simple as that. You choose the one you prefer, and that's it. Then you go back. It's as simple as that.